Some scenes and sounds versus Norf.
Your ticket tag and share your ticket. Just take a picture of it, that's all we need. Just take a photo of
Let's go, boys!
Take it.
On the togs, on your tosh. Go for Macca! Good on your Macca! Go, Lynchy! Big one today, boy!
Good start, Tommy!
Seth Campbell magic, I can feel it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go! Go, Jim Sim! Go, Jim Sim! Oh, Jim Sim! Woo!
Dim sum!
Very good. That was very good. On ya, Dimmy!
Go! Go!
It's a mark. What a mark! This kid is special. He is special. That is absolute brilliance. How did he mark that before the line? On ya, Seffy Campbell! Sammy Lawler walking in for goal.
We put it through.
There it is! Woo! Lola! La 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 Lola! La 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 Lola! Sweet spot, Tommy. This is your sweet spot. This is your sweet spot.
I think he's talking to you.
Hey Tommy, this is your sweet spot. Tommy loves a sweet spot.
10 metres in front, no way, but
Oh yeah.
15 metres out on the boundary. Who marked that? The future! The future! It's the future!
That's Sammy Lawler taking a pack mark. He leaps, yeah, he had a big leap. He's not bad on the contest.
Mate, he's got some jukes, oh, I'm telling ya.
Sammy!
Sammy! Lola! La 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 Lola! La 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 Lola!
Good boy!
Go Hugo, good boy. Let's go Seki. Where's the Benny Hill music? Johnsy! Go back! Ah, Becca! Let's go! Yeah, Becca! Go Campbell! That's it! That's it! That's it, baby! That's how you do it, baby! Woo! On yes, Seffy Campbell! Toronto. Come on, Lynchy. Yours, Lynchy. Well, finish through. We got a free kick! We got a free kick! Oh my god, he got a free kick! I must be dreaming.
And he won't kick it.
He actually won't. He actually won't kick it.
But he missed it last time. He's gonna.
Come on, Tommy Lynch. You got to at least kick one of these.
Last week, yeah, that was a fitter too. Last one we missed exact kicks.
Please, Tommy. Please, Tommy. That's it! Never in doubt. Never in doubt.
Oh, he's on his own.
Oh, he's on his own. Run in, Macca, run in.
Go back. sorry, mate. He's a good set shot.
He is.
Set shot.
He had nothing in front of him though. He had Paddock.
No, the last 3 years, his set shots have been very good.
Come on, Macca. 2 on your 200.
I think if you had McIntosh to get 2 for his 200.
If you what?
And 2 for his 200.
Oh, dude, he'd be paying $5 for 2 goals.
The headband bandit from Pinja.
And Canby for 3. There it is.
Yeah, Macca! Yeah, Macca! On your captain! Let's do it for Macca!